why like this, like that. No need to speak because not only you do support that people. We have more. I understand that one at your side. I'm clear because for me, if somebody come for me, I make entertain. But if they have something to do as for me, I'm like this, like that, not based in my YouTube that I want, I don't entertain. Yeah, really. I go anywhere live or where I go because they don't know me here or not. I go other place, I play. But the one person, the one you do make respect for me, yeah, I give you a respect. I'm open. I don't do anything. I'm open. And me, I don't like you. I don't ask you. Why you hurt me? Why you hurt me? Who I am? I'm telling about you that one. No, I don't telling about that for you. I'm respect. 100% I respect you. But one thing else, I need you also. Yeah, I see you respect me. Thank you about that. That's why you open here. You open my life. Yeah, because we are not a kids. We are exactly age. We do respect each other. I want to. Okay. Good night. Okay, good night, guys. Thank you for your time. And now, what I make now, I do fixing my things now, everything. Maybe I don't know. Just I prepare myself. That's why I'm sleep early because my time now. When you sleep, I do my things here for everything. That's why I'm sleep early so that I'm not okay. Good night. Doris. Long time I telling you always. Because me I have energy. Think of you. Good night, Ate. I say good night. Good night to I see you around. Okay. I close my mic so that you can sleep. Okay, finally, bye. Good night to and sweet dreams. Okay. Same to you. I make close my life. If you wake up, send me a message so that can I pin your name. Oh, this one now I have 7 hours. This 8, 19. I have 2 hours to relive. If you wake up, send me a message here so that can I pin your name again. So that you first get 1,000. Still your house 200 going to 300. Net a month you start just 2 weeks. You have another 2 weeks. Okay, can you continue and enjoy? Okay, guys. Good night. I close my mic so that you can sleep. Okay.